Hello, welcome ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject, and today we want to share you some of our product. This is the injector repair kit. It can be used in this fuel inject. Okay, let's check the details for this one. There is the label. There is a label on the packaging bags. The first line is the model number 6406003 in MTU, and the last line is the product name, injector repair kit. As you can see, we have this kind of packaging bags and the labels, right? If you actually, maybe some customers they have the demands like the customized services, right? And if you have this kind of demands, you can contact us, because Shumatt, we can supply you this kind of customized service. We can help you to design this kind of packaging bag, the label under your own logo. Yes, we can help you to design it. We can make you a good plan of design your own customized services. Okay, let's open it to see the inside. And I will got our fuel injector to add an example. Yes, for this whole side, it can be fitted with these fuel injectors. I will open it to see. There are some parts. Yes, for this fuel inject, it is used in many accessories. We'll exchange it, right? We have the different size, different colors. And for this one, the materials is different from others. And you can see the sealing rings is a little bit stretchy, and for this one, it's not stretchy. Yep. Okay. Look at this part. This is sealing rings, and we have different size, different colors. And for this one, it is different from the other sealing rings and can be used in different parts of our fuel injectors. This red one, see, this red one can be put in these positions, and the brown one, right? Actually, some of the sealing rings is used in the outside part. We can see it in the surfaces, but some of the sealing rings they used in the inside part when we exchange it. And for our sealing rings, it can be better protect our fuel injector and can be connect our different parts very tightly, and can be avoid the air, the liquid, and avoid loose. In our repair kit, we will have the cap, the nozzle cap. In this part, it can be used in this nozzle, the nozzle cap. For our product, we will have the good qualities, and before we seal it, we will test it many times. And we had the 6 months warranties. If you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can exchange it. Yes, we have the confidence to ensure of our quality. Okay, that's all about our product. Yes, actually, you can see we have the different models of our fuel injector, and we have the different different injector repair kit. If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us the numbers. We can help you to check it, and also we can have you can download the app. About the product warranties, all of our product we have the 6 months warranties. If you, during the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can help you to exchange the product for you. Besides that, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yes, any items if you are interested, welcome you to contact us. Each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you are interested our videos and if you are interested about our product, you can follow us at the Facebook and the YouTube account. Welcome you to contact us. Yes. Okay, that's all about today's product introductions. Yes, remember to follow us. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.